In the last week, children, we have studied about the oceans and the continents. 5 major oceans we have studied. Then we have seen what is called as the coastal region, and we have also studied the various landforms which are present on the earth's surface. Okay, now then we have also studied about the different water bodies which are formed from the sea and which are a part of the ocean. Today we are going to start with the surface water. Surface means what? Land. जमीन के ऊपर का पानी, surface water. There are many streams of water flowing over the land. This water is not salty but fresh. These streams of water may be rills, brooks, streams or rivers. Rills are the smallest and rivers are the biggest. Now what are streams? Now you will say, teacher, I don't know what is the meaning of streams. Streams means the water which flows on the hills and the mountains during the rainy season. Isn't it? Those are called as streams. तुमने देखा होगा हम ट्रैवल करते हैं रास्ते में तो पहाड़ों के ऊपर से जो पानी बहता है बारिश के मौसम में और माउंटेन से, हिल से, वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्ट्रीम. और वो पानी कैसा है? फ्रेश वाटर है, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रेन वाटर. बारिश के मौसम में हमको स्ट्रीम्स मिलते हैं देखने के लिए. तो वो पानी कैसा है? ताज़ा पानी है, फ्रेश वाटर है. ओके. दीज स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ वाटर में बी रिल्स. स्ट्रीम्स थोड़ा बड़ा, उससे भी छोटा क्या है? रिल्स है, ब्रुक्स है, छोटा छोटा पानी कहीं भी बहता रहता है बारिश के मौसम में. स्ट्रीम्स और रिवर्स. रिल्स आर द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड रिवर्स द बिगेस्ट. रिल्स कैसे हैं? सबसे छोटे वाले. और रिवर्स कौन सा है? रिवर इज द बिगेस्ट पार्ट, ओके, ऑफ द वाटर फ्लोइंग. रिल्स, ब्रुक्स, स्ट्रीम्स ईच जॉइन ईच अदर टू फॉर्म रिवर्स. ये सब मिला के जब इकट्ठा होके पानी बहता है, when the water flows together joining from all these things, that time it is forming a river. Rivers which join to make a bigger river are called as tributaries. जो छोटी छोटी पानी बहते हुए बड़ी नदी में मिलते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रिब्यूटरीज. सपोज एन एग्जाम्पल, अभी देखो यहाँ पे तो ये ओशन दिखाया हुआ है कि यहाँ पे गोदावरी बह रही है ना, ये गोदावरी रिवर है सपोज. ओके, दिस इज गोदावरी रिवर. अभी यहाँ से पानी फ्लो होते होते आ रहा है, एक छोटा फ्लो है, ये पानी आके कहाँ गया? रिवर में मिल गया. फिर यहाँ से एक नदी बहते आ रही है, स्मॉल फ्लो है, नदी बोलो या पानी का फ्लो बोलो, वो आके यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो गया, ये भी ट्रिब्यूटरी है. किसमें मिल गया? ये गोदावरी रिवर में, राइट. फिर यहाँ से एक पार्ट है, यहाँ से कोई वाटर बॉडी है, वो पानी बहते बहते यहाँ पे आके इस रिवर में मर्ज हो गया. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं जहाँ से पानी आ रहा है, ये सब को क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रिब्यूटरीज. दीज आर द ट्रिब्यूटरीज. कि ये सब मिलके एक नदी फॉर्म करते हैं. इन सम प्लेसेस अ रिवर कैस्केड्स डाउन अ सडन ड्रॉप. कहीं कहीं पे पानी सडनली रिवर बहते बहते एक नीचे फ्लो पे आ जाती है, यानी पहले हाइट होता है और हाइट से पानी नीचे गिर जाता है. कैस्केडिंग डाउन, फ्लोइंग डाउन. दिस फॉर्म्स अ वाटरफॉल. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वाटरफॉल, धबधबा. और रिवर्स इवेंचुअली फ्लो इनटू द ओशियन. रिवर्स सब जहाँ फ्लो होके मर्ज होती है वो क्या है? ओशंस में मर्ज हो जाती है. कहीं कहीं से रिवर डिफरेंट कॉन्टिनेंट्स विच आर फ्लोइंग, they are ending into the oceans. Now say children, I have explained you just now about the rills, brooks and streams. You can see this is a picture of the rills. You can see rills. ये देखो तुमको जो पानी बहता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है, यहाँ पे जो देखो स्मॉल स्मॉल फ्लो है, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? रिल्स. ओके, ये रिल्स है. Then this is what? See, water flowing from mountain and forming a river. पहाड़ों में से पानी जो बह रहा है और नीचे आके इकट्ठा बह रहा है ना. The water is falling from the mountainous region. Now the water which is falling from the mountainous region, this water is which water? This is called as a stream. These are the streams. These streams are flowing on the falling in the on the earth's surface, and water is flowing as in the form of a river. Okay. In the first one we have seen this one rills. Now which are the rills? These are called as the rills. This one small. ये छोटे छोटे जो पानी बहता है ना जमीन के ऊपर, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं रिल्स. पहाड़ों पे से पानी गिरा, सी वाटर इज फॉलिंग डाउन फ्रॉम द माउंटेनियस रीजन and then it is flowing in the form of rills on the ground surface. These rills you might be observing near your house also in the rainy season now. You can find it on the ground also, right? Then this is a waterfall. See, वाटर रिवर कैस्केट्स डाउन. कैस्केट्स मीन्स सडनली जो हाइट के ऊपर से पानी नीचे गिर जाता है. Water is falling down suddenly and this is formed as the what? This is the waterfall which is flowing. Water flowing from the greater height and it's called as what? The waterfall. I hope you understand now what is this waterfall, rills, brooks and streams. Everything is clear to you. Let's continue now children. The next is lakes. So we have studied what? The rivers which are flowing on the earth's surface, they merge into the ocean. Means they terminate, rivers are terminating into the oceans and the seas. The next is lakes. Now what are lakes? A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low-lying area of land is called a lake. In a low-lying area means what? Now see, we have studied various landforms are there, right? Plains, plateaus, coastal regions, valleys, hills, mountains, all. So low-lying area means what? On the land surface, there is a depression of the land. Means कहीं पे लैंड एरिया डिप्रेशन में, डिप्रेशन मीन्स नीचे खड्डे जैसा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लेक. एंड द वाटर इन द लेक कम्स नेचुरली फ्रॉम द अर्थ सर्फेस इनसाइड ओनली. लेक हिंदी में उसको सरोवर बोलते हैं. आई डोंट नो अबाउट मराठी, बट शायद मराठी में भी उसको सरोवर ही बोला जाता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लेक. लेक मीन्स वॉट? सरोवर. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट वॉट? नाउ यू माइट हैव स्टडीड डिफरेंट लेक्स आर देयर. डिफरेंट लेक्स आर देयर. So these lakes will be studied. I will be showing you later on. Lakes, the Pulicat Lake, then Chilka Lake in Orissa. These are all the famous lakes. Sambar Lake, it is famous for the salty water. Sambar Lake is famous for the salty water. Then in the Mumbai, if you go, that Powai Lake is there. Many lakes are there. So these are the water bodies formed naturally in a low-lying area, that is a depressed area of the earth's surface. Water in the form of ice. अभी तुम लोग water in the form of ice means water as an ice. Now Arctic Ocean is totally covered with the ice, right? Arctic Ocean is totally covered with the ice. Water particles in the clouds freeze and in cold regions they come down in the form of snow. What happens? Water particles, water vapor. Water keeps on evaporating because of the heat of the sun. As they go up and up in the air, they start freezing down. They become cool and they freeze. And what happens in the colder regions? They come down in the form of snow. As we get the water vapor in the form of rain, we get the rainfall from the water vapor which gets evaporated. Same way in the cold regions, children, it comes down in the form of snow. When layers of snow pile up on the ground, they form ice. Excuse. When layers of snow pile up means जब बर्फ गिरती है, सॉफ्ट आइस, वो धीरे 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 क्या होती है? पाइल अप होते जाती है. पाइल अप होना मतलब इकट्ठा होना. और क्या होता है फिर वो जब एक दूसरे के ऊपर लेयर के ऊपर लेयर इकट्ठा होता है तो वो क्या बन जाती है? आइस. इट becomes stiff. When such layers of ice pile up in a low-lying area, they become enormous in size. और धीरे धीरे क्या होता है? उसका साइज बड़ा होते जाता है क्योंकि लेयर अपॉन लेयर it gets on collecting it. This huge mass slips down a slope at a very slow speed. Now this big part, this is called a glacier. ये जो बर्फ एक दूसरे के ऊपर इकट्ठे होती जा रही है, layer upon layer is forming, it becomes bigger in size and then it slopes down. वो धीरे से ही पहाड़ पे से सरकते सरकते नीचे आती है. So this is called a glacier. So this bigger part of the ice which is formed, it is bigger like a rock only, children. It becomes bigger in size like a big rock. So it flows down, it comes down at a very slow speed. This is called a glaciers. Let's continue. We find many glaciers are there in the Arctic Ocean. There are also huge blocks of ice floating in the sea. They are called icebergs. Now the big huge blocks which are floating in the sea, the ice blocks which are floating, they are called as what? The icebergs. They are known as icebergs. Now groundwater. Ground means what? Zameen. Zameen ka pani, groundwater. Now you all know, children, where we are living in the houses, we know everywhere we have the municipality corporation. The water comes in morning and evening time, morning or afternoon time to us, as the case may be, morning, evening or afternoon. Then that is the fresh water which we are getting. Okay, now groundwater means what? Groundwater means the water which we get from inside the surface. Now one example I'll tell you. Now see, it is raining everywhere. तुमको ज़मीन के ऊपर पानी दिखाई देता होगा, है ना? You will be observing water on the layer of the surface, land surface. Now after some time or after some hours, you will find that the water is not visible over there. Now where the water goes? Some of the water flows with the rain water. कुछ पानी बह जाता है. And some part of some water gets inside the earth surface. यानी the earth, the soil absorbs the water. This soil is absorbing the water and it is stored inside the earth surface. Besides these water bodies on the earth's surface, there is a lot of water stored in the underground layers of rock. It is called groundwater. यानी पानी के अंदर, जमीन के अंदर वो पानी जो है जमा होते जाता है. द वाटर गेट्स कलेक्टेड इनसाइड द ग्राउंड इन द रॉक्स. नाउ रॉक्स मीन्स तुम लोग बोलोगे टीचर अंदर रॉक कहाँ से आया? इफ वी कीप ऑन डिगिंग द अर्थ सरफेस, अगर हम धरती का जमीन को खोदते हैं हम लोग, तो तुमने देखा हो कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे कहीं पे अगर आजू बाजू में होगा कि पहले मट्टी निकलती है, soil comes out slowly, then stones come out, and then you will find that big rocks are there. So this water gets inside the rocks also. We reach it by means of dug wells or bore wells. How do we reach inside the groundwater? How do we get it? By bore well. Now bore well, boring. हम लोग को बोरिंग करना है, फिर एक मशीन होती है वो बोर करती है, मीन्स डीप अंदर तक जमीन के अंदर खड्डा खोदते जाते हैं. फिर जब पानी मिलता है फिर हम लोग उसमें पाइपलाइन डालते हैं. वेल्स, कुआं खोदना, कुएं भी खोदते जाते. वेल्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी डीप चिल्ड्रन. सो बिकॉज दैट इज द नेचुरल वाटर विच वी गेट फ्रॉम इनसाइड द अर्थ सरफेस. Many lakes and wells get water from underground springs. So lakes and wells are getting water from where? This is the underground spring. Spring means जो जमीन के अंदर से पानी मिलता है हमें, उसको बोलते हैं spring water. The water or ice that occupies the earth's surface, groundwater and the water vapor in the atmosphere together form the earth's hydrosphere. Hydrosphere किसको बोलते हैं? Water bodies. Now which water bodies are included in that? Earth surface water, ground water and water vapor, सब यानी rainfall also in the atmosphere together form the earth's hydrosphere. So I hope you have understood this. Water in the form of ice, then water icebergs, and then what is groundwater and what is hydrosphere comprising of. Hydrosphere comprises of the whole water bodies which are present on the earth.